Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So what do I think about the chart? Well, it depends. It's all about perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 11.7 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, the grand scheme of things, again, keyword being big picture, then the bulls do still have a chance to build a higher base, therefore build a higher uptrend. And that's what you want to see. You want to see uptrends being built. And the bulls do still have a chance at that. Case in point, so let me zoom out here, is with regard to these lows. You can see that as time has gone by, the bulls have gotten, higher and higher lows. So with a grand scheme of things, you use the stair steps. You can see stair steps are still progressing in the upward direction. Now, I realize, again, that if you are a day trader and you bought right there, you could care less about, these overall stair steps. But I'm talking about the big picture perspective. So that's why, don't call me crazy to say that the bulls still have a chance. Sure, today, the bulls had a pretty bad day after the big gap up, and then the price fell down. But that's one day. That's one piece of the puzzle. When you're looking at multiple pieces of the puzzle here, you can see that hopefully that, I've done a good enough job illustrating that the bulls can still build that, overall uptrend. So with that, I'm going to define, that ideal level of support that you really don't want to see the price dropping below. But that sits right there at $3 and we'll call it 30 cents. So $3.30, I guess that could go a little bit lower. There we go. So $3.30, that ideal level. Even if it doesn't, I'm not going to call everything ruined, because from big picture perspective, you still are well up above the overall trend indicator, which is that pink line there, the famous 200 period simple moving average. But yeah, I mean, nobody wants to see it drop all the way down there. So certainly speaking, after such a big pullback already, definitely want to see the price stay above 330. But if it doesn't, still do have the 200 period simple moving average as support. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance and any sort of bounce right up here at that point, and that sits at about $3.55. And then after 355, next key one up there at $3.70. So pretty crazy day. Not the best day in and of itself with the gap and then, the pullback. But from the big picture perspective, bulls still have a chance. So we'll see if they can build a higher base or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.